Have you ever opened an old book and noticed tiny holes in the pages or strange yellow insects moving quickly away? Those mysterious insects are often silverfish. Silverfish are small, wingless insects known for their shiny silver color and fish like movement. Although they are tiny, silverfish are fascinated scientists and homeowners for many years because of their strange habits and ancient history. One of the most interesting questions people ask is this: why do silverfish love old books and papers so much? Today, we will explore the hidden world of silverfish, learn why they are attracted to books and papers, how they survive inside homes, and what simple steps can protect valuable books and documents from damage. First, let us understand what silverfish actually are. Silverfish are ancient insects that have existed on Earth for more than 300 million years. That means silverfish are living long before dinosaurs appeared. Their bodies are covered with shiny scales that give them metallic silver appearance. They move quickly with a wiggling motion that looks similar to a swimming fish, which is why they are called silverfish. These insects usually prefer dark, humid, and quiet places. Bathrooms, kitchens, basements, storage rooms, libraries, and old cupboards are favorite hiding spots for silverfish. But why are books and papers so attractive to them? The answer is food. Silverfish feed mainly on substances containing starches and carbohydrates. Old paper, cardboards, glue, wallpaper, book bindings, photographs, and even clothing often contain materials rich in starch and cellulose. Book glue is especially attractive to silverfish. In older books, the glue used for binding pages often contain organic materials that silverfish can digest easily. Paper itself also contains cellulose, a plant-based material that silverfish can partially break down and consume. This makes books, newspapers, magazines, and stored documents excellent food sources for these insects. Another reason silverfish love old books is protection. Bookshelves provide dark spaces where silverfish can hide safely during daytime. Since silverfish are nocturnal insects, they prefer moving around at night when movement is quiet and predators are less active. During the day, they hide deep inside cracks, behind books, under paper, or inside old boxes. Silverfish are also very adaptable survivors. They can survive for surprisingly long periods without food. Some studies suggest silverfish may survive for months under difficult conditions. This ability helps them live inside homes where food sources are sometimes limited. Another amazing fact is that silverfish continue molting throughout their lives. Most insects stop shedding their outer skin after becoming adult, but silverfish continue doing this repeatedly. Now you may wonder, are silverfish dangerous to humans? The good news is that silverfish do not bite humans, spread major diseases, or attack pets. They are generally harmless to people physically. However, they can still become serious household pests because they damage valuable items. Silverfish can destroy books, important papers, family photographs, wallpaper, fabrics, and stored collections over time. Small feeding marks, holes, yellow stains, and damaged edges are common signs of silverfish activity. Libraries and museums often work hard to protect historical documents from silverfish infestations because even tiny damage can destroy valuable records. Humidity plays a major role in silverfish survival. Silverfish thrive in moist environments. They absorb water from humid air and prefer temperatures where moisture remain available. This is why bathrooms, kitchens, and damp storage areas often attract them. If humidity levels decrease significantly, silverfish struggle to survive. That is why controlling moisture is one of the best ways to prevent silverfish problems. Now let us discuss how people can protect books and paper from silverfish damage. The first and most important step is cleanliness. Dust, old paper piles, cardboards are ideal places for silverfish. Regular cleaning helps reduce their food and shelter. Second, keep humidity low. Using ventilation, sunlight, fan, or dehumidifiers can help keep rooms dry. Silverfish dislike dry conditions. Third, store books properly. Books should be kept in clean, dry places with good air circulation. Avoid storing important documents in damp basements or humid boxes. Fourth, seal cracks and hiding spaces. Silverfish often hide in wall cracks, floor gaps, and behind shelves. Sealing these spaces can reduce infestations. Natural repellents may also help. Some people use cedar, cloves, and lavender to discourage silverfish because strong smells may repel them. Sticky traps can also monitor silverfish activity in home or libraries. Interestingly, silverfish are not completely useless in nature. In outdoor ecosystem, they help break down dead organic materials and recycle nutrients. Like many insects, they play small but important roles in ecological balance. However, inside homes, their feeding behavior become problematic. Scientists also study silverfish because of their ancient evolutionary history. Since they are among the oldest surviving insect groups, silverfish help researchers understand how insects evolved over millions of years. Another fascinating fact is that silverfish can move surprisingly fast despite having no wings. Their flexible bodies help them squeeze into tiny spaces where predators cannot easily reach them. Silverfish are also very sensitive to environmental changes. Temperature, humidity, light, and food availability all influence their behavior. Many people become frightened when they suddenly see silverfish running across floors at night. But these insects are usually more afraid of humans than humans are of them. Their quick movements are mainly escape reactions. Modern homes filled with paper products, cardboard boxes, books, and hidden moisture create perfect environments for silverfish survival. That is why these insects remain common around the world. The relationship between silverfish and old book is reminder that even tiny insects can affect human history and valuable collections. Without proper care, silverfish can slowly damage items preserved for generations. At the same time, these insects are remarkable survivors that have existed on Earth for hundreds of millions of years. So, next time you open an old book and spot a tiny silver insect running away, remember that you are looking at one of the nature's oldest living insects, a creature perfectly adapted to survive in dark, quiet, and humid environment filled with paper and glue. Understanding silverfish help us protect our homes, libraries, and historical record while also appreciating the incredible diversity of insect life on Earth. For more videos related to animals and animal facts, do not forget to like and subscribe our channel Zoosphere.